Any developer who wants to kind of like get their hands dirty and play with it, they can. You just go to our website and sign up and then download it.
Hi everybody, my name is Sandra from FOMO Media and I am here with Stephen Chia, the Regional Head of Southeast Asia of NEM. Thank you for being with us.
Hi Sandra.
Tell me a little bit on how you guys are comparable to Ethereum, Neo and other blockchain protocols.
Okay. Well, essentially NEM, we are one of the global protocols for blockchain, and the thing that we pride ourselves in that NEM blockchain is an enterprise-grade solution that's ready to be deployed just out of the box. A lot of the features that you probably need to program or learn a language in the other platforms, with NEM actually it's very, very easy because we are, number one, the features that you find, like for example, multi-signature wallets, it's already built in. Not only is it a simple multi-signature wallet, but also a very dynamic one where you can do a lot of different what-if scenarios with it. Second thing is because we are API-driven protocol. So for example, companies that are developing their solutions on the platform, what they can do is actually use the API language and syntax. They just need to understand how it talks to the NEM blockchain engine. And their platform actually will be fine, just that we will be processing all the transactions on the NEM blockchain. So it makes for very fast deployment, very easy for even legacy systems to talk to the blockchain.
Is it a lot easier than integrating to the Ethereum blockchain?
Well,
like you said, it's easy integration for the users, the API, right?
Well, actually, for a lot of times, most of the blockchain, you need to understand how they work. You need to learn a language. You need to, let's say, learn to program in their own language. In our case, actually, you don't need to do that. You just need to understand where the transactions need to go and how do you talk, or the syntax of which you communicate with the NEM blockchain. So that makes it actually quite easy for companies to really have a very quick solution. A lot easier.
Well, right? And I heard that you guys are releasing Catapult, or have you released it already?
Ah, you heard about that. Okay.
Yes, I did.
So for
Tell
Catapult,
me a bit about
for Catapult, actually, it's actually our version 2.0 of our NEM blockchain. It's a lot faster. There are a lot of features in there that are actually improved, and also we added a lot more. Like for example, we can actually do a dynamic transactions where it's not just initiated by one party. It can be actually multi-party initiated transactions. So with Catapult, actually right now we released it on developer preview. So any developer who wants to kind of like get their hands dirty and play with it, they can. You just go to our website and sign up and then download it and basically start testing their systems on it.
Are they able to come to your new blockchain center?
Well,
that is amazing, by the way. Are they able to come here and learn about Catapult?
Of course. We are here in Glow Damansara in Kuala Lumpur, so if you happen to be in Malaysia, drop by. We'd be more than happy to come and show you around, and you can even walk here because it's a co-working space.
Is it free?
You just have to say the password and you'll be free.
Guys, come to Malaysia and support the NEM blockchain. And also, are you guys doing anything for the release of Catapult on mass adoption?
Well, actually, what we're trying to do is to do a phased deployment, because we want people, the developers especially, to understand how to program and how to talk to the Catapult System engine first. And then later, towards a later time when we know that we have a full developers kind of like ramped up to speed with the knowledge, then we will do a public release a little bit further down the road. So the whole idea is to make sure that people understand how to integrate Catapult into their systems first. Yeah.
I see. Okay, so in terms of mass adoption again, how do you think the NEM holders are able to help in terms of mass adoption?
Well, for the NEM community, actually, they already are familiar with the NEM blockchain. And now with the Catapult, I think what we need to do is actually ramp up everybody in terms of the knowledge and how to work with the new features, and also how to use the Catapult to its fullest potential. Like for example, Catapult can actually do a significantly higher transaction speed. So how do they take advantage of that? So the whole idea behind the developer release is so that people can actually learn it and use some of the features that's in there before they roll out to major systems. So that's the whole idea. And tell more people about it, you know.
Will do, will do. What is the projected transaction speed?
Well,
do you think?
actually, for the new version, I think it can do probably around 4,000 transactions per second. And if it's on, let's say, a private chain, it could probably, with high-speed servers and all that, I think it could probably achieve a little bit higher also. It all depends on how the solution needs it and how it's architected on the platform and how the developers use the Catapult. Yeah.
Awesome, wow, solving the scalability problem. Okay, remember to come and visit NEM Blockchain and Glow Damansara, and Steven's gonna feed you some free food while you're here as well.
And great coffee too, okay? Come visit us anytime and we'll be more than happy to show you around. And welcome to Malaysia, okay?
Awesome, thank you, Steven.
You're welcome, okay?
There goes a sight from my soul.